Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 4. So I bought in Galaxy S22 Ultra and I got the watch along with it in an offer. So let's go ahead and open this box. This is a brand new Galaxy Watch 4 and this is the bigger version, the 44 watch. Also the price says 29,999. So this is the bigger version, so let's go ahead and open it. So before we open this, we already have a Galaxy Watch 4. This is the pink version which we have, and this is the smaller version which is 40 mm. This is the female one, so if you have smaller hands you can go ahead with the smaller one. Let's open the big one and see. So you open the box. This is your watch. This is a black version that I ordered, black strap and a black body. So there is some text material for you. Let's quickly open and see what's inside. So this is just some booklets, and what this is nothing. And you have your charging cable. Okay, so this is the charger that comes along with the box, a normal USB charger with a magnetic dock. Let's keep it here, and let's go ahead and show you the watch. This is a very silky feel and it's a premium watch. Look at this quality. It's shiny, has a very heavy feel to it. Let's start it and see. So just a thing to note here, you don't get an extra strap in the box like the Apple Watch gives you. The Apple Watch gives you a smaller strap, similar strap to this one as well. So if you have smaller hands you can get a better fit. So this is just one strap, silicone strap here, nothing else in the box, just the charger. Let's switch it on. It has two buttons here, and I believe there's no screen guard on it, so we'll have to get one. Let's switch it on. I will press this button and see how it works. So it's not working if we just press one button. Let's see if it works. I haven't read the manual, so let's see if it works if we press both the buttons together. Okay, so this is probably we would have to charge this for the first time use. There is no battery or charge in this watch out of the box. So we'll do a separate video on the interface, how it works, how fast is it. Just a comparison of both the watches that I have. This one is the smaller one and this is the bigger one. You can see, yes, there's a little bit of a difference obviously in the dials. So if you have smaller hands, or this one is the rolled rose gold version targeted at the female audience, and this is the pure black version. So these two are the versions, also keeping the Apple Watch just next to it, just to give you an idea of how these look. So the screen size is similar, but very minor significance, very minor difference between the two. Alright, so that was our quick review of the Galaxy Watch 4 and a small comparison of the three sizes. So this is the women's watch, the black one, and the Apple Watch. Let me know in the comments if you have any further questions. We'll also have another video while the watch is on, after charging it for a while. Thank you so much. So that was our review for the Galaxy Watch 4. See you in the next video.